Welcome to Pong AI Zone channel. Let's be real. Making money on YouTube can feel complicated, right? Editing, scripting, recording, it's a lot. But what if I told you there's a way to create engaging videos without ever turning on a camera? That's right. With AI, you can now generate high-quality content in minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. If you love saving time and building income streams with smart tools, hit subscribe now. And don't miss the end. I'll show you one trick that most creators still don't know about. No editing, no talking, no stress. Just a simple process that's helping creators go viral today. Step 1. Go to the AI VideoGen website. Just open your browser and head over to https://videogen.io via equals PO85. This is the platform where all the magic happens. Step 2. Create your free account. If it's your first time here, click that sign up button in the top right corner. You can even sign in with Google to save a few steps. Once you're inside, it takes you straight to the dashboard where we can start creating a video. Step 3. Choose your video topic. Now think about the kind of video you want to make. It could be something like tips to make your AI videos look more professional, or a quick how-to tutorial. Just type your keyword right into the search bar in the middle of the screen. Step 4. Customize your video. Here's where the fun starts. Customization. First, choose your language. English, Spanish, or a bunch of others. Then set your video length. You can pick 300, 600, or even longer scripts. Quick tip. Shorter videos often perform better on platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Next, choose your voiceover style, male or female, calm or energetic. Think about your audience's vibe. Do they want something relaxed or something high energy? Step 5. Edit your script. This is my favorite part, the script editor. AI VideoGen will give you a full script instantly. If you don't like how a sentence sounds, rewrite it. Want to add a personal story or tell people to subscribe? Go for it. You can also change the tone to casual, professional, or friendly, depending on who you're talking to. Step 6. Generate your video. Once you're happy with everything, click that big Create Video button. AI VideoGen does all the heavy lifting, adding visuals, syncing voiceover, and making sure it all looks smooth. Grab a coffee, and in just a couple of minutes, boom, your video is ready. Step 7. Download and upload. Now you can download your video in HD or even 4K quality. Then upload it straight to YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, wherever your audience hangs out. Pro tip: write a catchy title and description with SEO keywords so people can actually find your video. And that's it. Now you know how to create professional-looking AI videos for ads or affiliate marketing in just a few minutes. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Pong AI Zone, and drop a comment below. Check the link in the description for more info. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.